Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two hip ice packs. So here we have the REVIX, this is the extra large hip ice, and here we have the Magic Gel. I've put them both in the freezer overnight. They both remain flexible. The Magic Gel might be a little bit more stiff. This is definitely a lot more flexible and bigger. Here's what the backside looks like. Now I like this has like a soft velvet that's going to go up next to my body. Now they both have Velcro that is elastic, and you can put it through the loop on the other side to really get a good tight fit. But as we can see on the REVIX, it's a little bit longer. And again, it's got a little bit bigger loop for it to go through. Okay, so as we can see with the REVIX, it's got like a belt. Now, I really do like that big, long elastic that I can put through. And then I got the smaller one, put it through, and then I can latch it onto itself. This is a great ice pack that really gets it concentrated right in the hip. It's up against my clothes, so I know that it's working. It's super easy. It's not going to come off. I could actually work with this. I could actually go around, do my job, put it back in the freezer, and then okay, so with the Magic Gel, there is a taller one or a bigger loop that goes up here, and then the smaller one goes down here. I am able to put it through and then Velcro it. It is definitely concentrated right in the hip. It's just a little bit smaller. The ice is more concentrated in the center here. So again, but I am able to work with this on. So I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.